What is a Forex demo account and how to create one? Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Forex trading, specifically focusing on what a Forex demo account is and how you can create one. If you're new to Forex or looking to sharpen your skills, a demo account is an essential tool for your trading journey. What is a Forex demo account? A Forex demo account is a simulated trading environment that allows you to practice trading without risking real money. It provides access to real-time market data and trading platforms, enabling you to familiarize yourself with the trading process. Demo accounts are typically funded with virtual money, allowing you to experiment with different strategies and techniques. Benefits of using a demo account. Risk-free learning. You can learn the ins and outs of Forex trading without the fear of losing your hard-earned money. Strategy testing. A demo account allows you to test various trading strategies and see how they perform in real market conditions. Platform familiarization. You can get comfortable with the trading platform and its features, which is crucial for successful trading. Emotional control. Trading with virtual money helps you develop emotional discipline, which is vital when you start trading with real funds. How to create a Forex demo account. Choose a reputable Forex broker. Research and select a broker that offers a demo account. Look for one with a good reputation, low spreads, and a user-friendly platform. Check the reviews and ratings to ensure the broker is trustworthy. Navigate to the broker's official website and look for the option to open a demo account. Most brokers have a dedicated section for demo accounts. Fill out the registration form. Provide the necessary information, such as your name, email address, and phone number. Some brokers may ask for additional details, but this is usually minimal. After registration, you may need to download the trading platform, like MetaTrader 4 or 5, to access your demo account. Follow the instructions provided by the broker for installation. Log in to your demo account. Use the credentials provided by the broker to log in to your demo account. You will see your virtual balance and can start trading immediately. Begin practicing your trading strategies using the virtual funds. Take your time to explore the platform and learn how to execute trades, set stop-loss orders, and analyze market trends. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more Forex trading tips and insights. For those interested in starting their trading journey, check out the link in the description below to open a demo account with one of the most reputable Forex brokers available. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll be happy to help. A Forex demo account is an invaluable resource for both beginners and experienced traders. It allows you to practice, learn, and refine your trading skills without any financial risk. So, take advantage of this opportunity and start your Forex trading journey today.
Here we go.